The man maker is one of those exercises that, wow, it really takes a lot out of you, but it gives a lot in return because it's a lot in this one movement. It's only 45 seconds, so don't expect to do too many. Focus more on the weight that you're using. Make sure that it's proper because lifting heavy is really what we want. If you want to get stronger, you must lift heavy things. Focus on technique though before you increase your weight. Be very conscious of your core, your back, your shoulders, that everything is in line. It has to look good. That's one way you can always tell yourself, if it looks good, then it's probably right. Meaning if you have terrible posture, your shoulders are too high, your back is arched, it won't look good. So be very aware of how it also looks aesthetically. Split squats, most important thing to remember here is to keep the knee in line with the toe, taking it nice and slow. You can also do this near a wall. I could have also put my hand on the side over there for balance. So do use assistance for balance if that's necessary. Step ups, you can do this in a bench at your gym. You can also do a park bench in the park or a really large step. Now this step is large, it's around 2 normal steps in a house. So simply taking that up and down, focus on tempo here and go as quick, do as many as you can in the time allotted.